mixing so many foundations. Well, not that many foundations. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 foundations. I don't have any more. I actually thought I had more foundations, but it's just that I don't like to collect so much foundation because they do expire. Like some of them have the expiration months in the back, and I don't like to throw away makeup, and I'm not a makeup hoarder yet. I have a lot of makeup, but it's not like an excess amount. But today we're gonna mix all the foundations, and I have my little pineapple right here, and I'm getting used to the lighting here. That's why in all my recent, like my 4 most recent videos, the lighting looks so different, because I'm still trying to fix it and see how it looks better. But anyway, just giving you a little disclaimer right now. But yeah, we're gonna mix all the foundations in here, and this is a little pineapple that I got. Who gave this to me? Dang, who gave this to me? I forgot who gave it to me. I have such bad memory. I have really bad memory. Whoever gave me this, dang, I suck. What the heck? But yeah, this is a pineapple, and obviously it's like the top of the pineapple. So we're gonna mix all the foundations in here. And if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to the Pineapple Squad and be part of my YouTube family. And guys, we reached 7,000 subscribers. That's amazing. Thank you so much. I love you guys so much. But yeah, let's get into the tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit this video a big thumbs up, and let's get into the video. Alright guys, so my camera's dying, but I'm gonna mix it all in here. And the first one is gonna be my LA Girl foundation. Foundation are mixed, and look at this. Look at this. It didn't even make a lot of foundation. It made a little bit because I don't have a lot of foundations. So if you came to this video to see me mix 70 foundations, not gonna happen. Not gonna happen. Yeah, I mixed some in here. I'm just gonna give it a little mix. And I do have a combination of like a darker foundation in here with a with lighter foundations. So I'm very curious to see what color it's gonna do. Color in my hand. Oh, that looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. See, that looks good. It looks a lot like the color of my Fenty foundation, and it feels really good. Okay. I already primed my face with my Catrice Prime and Fine primer, so I'm not even gonna, like, you know, again. All right, so I'm gonna pretty good. Okay, it looks pretty good to me. All right, so I'm gonna mix it with the only foundation brush that I have is this one, and I got this in my Boxycharm, and this is from Crown Makeup, and it's this one right here. So I'm just gonna blend. Oh my goodness, this color is nice. Something I've noticed with all these videos that I've seen of people doing this is that because they mix so many foundations, they really do get like a perfect color, which is like very weird. Guys, that's a perfect color. You see that? So the foundation feels really good. It's a little sticky. I've had it on my face like for the past like 3 minutes, and it doesn't feel sticky at all. It feels really good. The coverage is definitely full coverage. I know that I applied a lot of foundation, but it's because I have a lot of like marks on my face, so I do need to apply a lot. But yeah, this was just me applying once. I didn't go on top with another layer. This is just once, like the amount that you saw that I was applying to my face. and it is my perfect color. As you can see, it's not too light, it's not too dark. It's literally my perfect color, and it doesn't itch. And then like I thought that because I was mixing so many different formulas that my face will feel like a little itchy, but it doesn't feel itchy at all. I'm gonna put it again tomorrow for work because I still have a little bit more that I could wear tomorrow. So I'm gonna wear it for work tomorrow, and then I'm gonna see throughout the day if it starts itching. But at work, like, it will itch throughout the day a little bit, like after like 5 hours, and I do work for 8 hours, so that's how I noticed. But yeah, like, it feels really good. It doesn't feel like bad. It's a little tacky. It doesn't feel like full coverage, like, yeah, you have foundation on. It looks really good. I'm very surprised. But I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup, and then I will be right back to check in with you guys. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the final look. This is how my makeup came out, and to be honest, my face looks really, really good. I don't have any complaints in how all the foundations mix. And I'm using this mirror, which you can see yourself very, very close up. So I'm like legit looking at my pores right now, really, really close. But yeah, it looks really, really good. My highlight, yeah, my highlight went on really, really nice. Everything, okay, I'm getting dizzy. But yeah, everything looks really, really good. I like how everything applied. I have no complaints, to be honest. It's really full coverage, so I think it is a really good idea if you want to mix all your foundations one day just to get like a full coverage. And also, this is not something that I came up with. I've been seeing videos now on YouTube about it, so I will link down below some of the videos that I've been seeing lately about this. But yeah, this is the video that I have for you guys, and my skin looks really good, so I think you should totally try it if you want to try it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join the Pineapple Squad, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye guys.